Unlock the chill, mastering the art of defrosting your fridge. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase that you might come across in everyday life: defrost the fridge. Understanding this phrase not only helps you with your English language skills but also equips you with knowledge that's handy in daily chores. So, let's get started and unlock everything you need to know about defrosting your fridge. To defrost the fridge means to remove the ice buildup from inside your refrigerator. Over time, especially in models without an automatic defrost feature, ice can accumulate on the freezer's walls and surfaces. This not only reduces the efficiency of your fridge but can also take up valuable space. Defrosting is the process of turning this ice back into water, which then can be removed. It's a basic maintenance task that ensures your fridge operates efficiently and keeps your food fresh. Defrosting your fridge is crucial for several reasons. Improves efficiency. A fridge without ice buildup works more efficiently, using less electricity and keeping your food at the right temperature. Saves space. Ice can take up a lot of space that could otherwise be used for storing food. Prevents odors. Regular defrosting helps prevent bad odors caused by ice-trapping smells from different foods. Maintains food quality. An efficiently working fridge helps in keeping your food fresh for a longer period. 1. Prepare. Turn off the fridge and open its doors. Remove all food items and store them in a cool place. 2. Protect your floor. Place towels or a large tray on the floor to catch the water that melts from the ice. 3. Speed up the process. Optional, place a pot of hot water inside the fridge to speed up the melting process. 4. Clean up. Once the ice has melted, clean the inside of the fridge with a mild cleaner. 5. Turn it back on. After cleaning, turn the fridge back on and wait for it to reach its optimal temperature before restocking it with food. Defrosting your fridge might seem like a daunting task, but it's an essential part of maintaining your appliance and ensuring it runs efficiently. By following the steps outlined today, you'll not only master a practical skill but also enhance your English vocabulary with terms related to everyday tasks. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to tackle the task of defrosting your fridge with confidence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.